Hello, Mrs. Romito here with another installment of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're going to be talking about submission basics. Don't forget the basics. And here they are, folks. Always include the following on your assignment submissions: your first and last names, the course you're taking with this instructor. I know it's basics and it may be included when you're submitting in the learning management system, but it's always best. Your teacher might print it out and have it in front of them. Maybe they like to work in a hard copy, or they might just have it open on their computer and don't want to click back and forth from the learning management system to find out whose paper is this. So again, make sure you always include your first and last names and then the course you're taking with the instructor. Also check and see, is this a worksheet or a prompt submission? If so, include the prompt that you chose. Your teacher's not a mind reader and they're not going to know what you picked. And then include all the worksheet questions unless otherwise instructed in the directions. And then it's best to write incomplete sentences as well when you're submitting. But again, unless instructed otherwise. Please note, this is also an asynchronous learning environment. Your teachers, like me, we don't usually get to see you as much as we would love to see your face, so it's best to include a close-up image of your face instead of an avatar. If you feel comfortable doing so, we would love to see your wonderful face. I hope that this installment of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito about the basics will help you in your courses.